some Johnny's. I bought some cover crop seeds, like a mixture, and some garden inoculant for the seeds to help them kind of get started a little bit better and earlier. I was reading it helps them like germinate better, and it helps the nitrogen get back in the soil because it's a certain bacteria. So here we go. I'm going to open it now. I got 5 pounds of the seed mix. Dang it. And 1 bag of the inoculant, which will treat up to 8 pounds. So this is what it looks like. Here's the seed inoculant. Here's it's called Fall Green Manure Mix. This is what we'll be using as a cover crop. And you can see he's got winter rye, field pea, crimson clover, annual ryegrass, hairy vetch, other crop, and inert manure with some weed seed, which happens sometimes, so that's why they put that in there. So that's what it looks like. It's a 5 pound bag. So, heck yeah.